This is the third time I'm using the Ponmo. It's already getting soft, but it still needs hot water to be hard to eat. I'm already getting ready for bed. This is the last time I'm going to be doing in the kitchen today, inshallah. I finished boiling the water, so I'm adding it to the Ponmo. So I'm going to leave this to soak overnight. Also, I will be adding a lot of salt to this. This is how the Ponmo look after the following day. So now I'm going to be cleaning it one by one. So I'll clean the inside. This is where the task is. Or use the knife to scrape all the dirty from the inside. Alhamdulillah, Iman. Mission accomplished. I'm able to clean the Ponmo. These are the ones that I'm able to clean. But I'm going to put this back inside the freezer because I don't have the strength or energy to clean this. They are very difficult to clean, and most of them has got some hair in it that need to be burned out. Alhamdulillah, the battery is won. Apart from using what's it called, knife, I also use this sponge to clean the back of the Ponmo and the inside. This to help me get rid of any sand. Anyway, I'm going to be adding lemon juice and hot water. This will enable me to get rid of any bad odor that the Ponmo may have got. And I'm going to steam it for like 5 minutes on low heat. Alhamdulillah, this is after 5 minutes. So I'm going to rinse this water off the Ponmo, then season it. Time to season the Ponmo. Have had salt, going in with onions. That's 1 medium size of onion dice, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, about 3 tablespoons of ginger, 1 tablespoon of minced herb, half tablespoon of curry powder, and water. Then mix well, and I'll let it simmer for 10 minutes on low heat because I don't want it to be too soft. I'm adding 4 nut cubes. Then cover. Alhamdulillah, this is all done. So I'm going to let it cool down, then pack it. I'll be dividing this into 2. Alhamdulillah, I've packed the Ponmo into 2. I divided into 2.
Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. With this, I leave you in the care of Allah Subhanahu Wata Ala. Stay blessed and safe with lot of love, IWHAT, and don't forget to keep smiling.